In this video, I will show you how we can use ChatGPT to build resume. For example, if you want to build a resume for data scientist job, here we can type data scientist sample resume for fresher. Now here we will get a sample resume which we can copy and paste in a Word file, and then we can edit it. So here you can see in the output we are getting, so we have this first our full name, then address, contact information. Then you can put one line which is nothing but objective, seeking a challenging role as a data scientist where I can utilize my analytical, statistical and technical skills to make significant contributions to the organizations. Then you have to put one section here of education, and here you will give your education details, your bachelor's, and if you have also done master's, then you can write here your master's as well. Then we have a section of skills. Here you have to define, or you have to write the skills that you know. For example, here first one is programming language, and here it is written as Python, R and SQL. You can also update if you have more skills. Then we have strong analytical and statistical skills, familiar with data visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI, knowledge of machine learning algorithms and techniques, experience in data cleaning and pre-processing techniques. So till here you give all your basic details, and the next section comes for the project. So here you have to start defining your projects. So here you can give, for example, if you have worked on some project, you can give the name of that project, and then you can give a short brief introduction about that project, what you have done. For example, in that project, it is saying that developed a predictive model to analyze customer churn rate for a telecommunication company using R programming and achieved an accuracy of 95%. Created a dashboard using Tableau to visualize sales performance and identify trends for a retail company. Built a recommendation system using collaborative filtering algorithm for an online movie streaming platform using Python programming. If you have done any kind of internship, you can also mention that here. So you have to give the title here as internship, and then you can define what you have done. You can just give a brief introduction about the internship that you have done. For example, data analyst intern PQR company. So here you have to write the company where you have done internship, duration of internship, for example 6 months or 1 year. Then you can define conducted data cleaning, pre-processing and exploratory data analysis using SQL and R programming language. Developed interactive dashboards using Tableau to monitor business performance. Assisted in the development of a predictive model to forecast sales using machine learning algorithms. So till here you have defined your project, and also if you have done any kind of internship. Then the next section comes for the certification part. So if you have done any kind of certification, for example AWS or any other certification that you have done, maybe from Udemy, Coursera, so you can mention those certifications here. Then you can also talk about your personal interest. You can give one section here, and then this one is reference available upon request. So if the company would like to know if you have any reference, then you can write it here as available upon request. So here they are saying that this is just a sample resume, and you can modify it to highlight your specific skills, experience and education to showcase your strength as a data science fresher. So here we get the complete template. You just have to copy paste. So you can copy it from here. So I'll copy everything, and then you can open a Word file. I'll write here Word, and then you simply have to open a new Word document. You have to paste it. Now you see that you get a very good sample resume, and now you have to start editing. So you just have to start editing. You have to give your name here. For example, you can write here XYZ and something. You can write your name here, then you can type your address here. For example, you are living in city Mumbai, Then you can give your contact information, your phone number and email. So here you can type your mobile number, for example, let's say 999999. These are just random number, and then you can give your email as well. Well, let's say I'll type something @.com, and then you can just write here city, then here you can write mobile, and here you can write email. And then here if you want to edit, you can edit and you can put some new words, so you can remove this one. Then you can highlight your education. Here you have to type your university name, then you have to define your skills here, so you can add or remove the skills from here. Then comes the projects area, so here you can first give your company name, for example XYZ company, and there you are working as data scientist. And then you will define, or you will highlight the points of the project you have done here. Similarly you can do for the internship. Here you can write here ABC company, and here we have done internship as data scientist, and these are the points you are going to mention, or you are going to define about the internship that you have done. Then you have the certifications, where you can put your certifications details. You can give the certifications of Udemy, Coursera or Cloud, and then here you can tell about your interests, and that's it. You can also add new sections, or you can remove some section if you don't want, but this gives you a clear picture how you have to build a resume for a fresher, because as a fresher you have not done many things, so this much is enough for you to make a good resume. And not only for data scientists, you can make a resume for any other job. Let's say if I go back to the ChatGPT, and here if I type data engineer sample resume for fresher, so the difference you will see here, we will have different skill set to mention. It has started. Now you can see in objective we have seeking an entry-level role as a data engineer to leverage my skills in database management, ETL, and data warehousing to contribute to the success of the organization. Then you have this education, and then here skills. So in skills you will see some different languages here, or different skill set. Proficient in database management systems such as MySQL, Oracle, and PostgreSQL. Strong understanding of ETL process and tools such as Apache NiFi and Talent. Knowledge of cloud-based data warehousing solutions such as Amazon Redshift and Google BigQuery. Familiarity with programming languages such as Python and Java. Experience with data modeling and schema design. So you will get a sample resume for data engineer as well. And similarly, if you want to make for Java, you can write here in the search box Java sample resume for fresher. So you will get a sample resume for Java. And here you will see this in the skill sets we have different languages now. Proficient in Java programming language and object-oriented programming concepts. Let it finish, then we will read. So I'll scroll up. Yeah, familiarity with web development technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Knowledge of software development methodologies such as Agile and Scrum. Experience with database management systems such as MySQL and Oracle. Familiarity with version control systems such as Git. So this is how you can use ChatGPT to build your resume. You come from any different background. It's not just you have to type here data scientist or Java or data engineer. Whatever is your designation, you can just write it here and it will create or it sample resume for it. You just have to copy paste it into the Word file, and then you can make some minor modifications and you will get a ready-made resume. This was all about how you can build a resume with the help of ChatGPT. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.